So if you've been looking at logarithms for a little bit, if you just started with them, you've heard that logarithms can undo an exponent, right? So that means that we could rewrite a logarithm in something called exponential form. So if you have a log that's got a base b and an argument, I'll say a, let's say the whole thing is equal to c. Like in this case, the base is 10, right? Because there's no number written here, so that's a 10 for the base. So b is 10. It would be x, and c would be 4 in this case. If you can label your logarithm like that, you can put it in exponential form. It's b to the c power equals a. They're equivalent things. They say the same thing. You solve them. If you got an unknown in one of the places, you can solve them the same way. And so that's what they're looking for us to do in these two equations. Put it in exponential form. So this has a base of 10. So my b is 10. So I'll put 10 to start off for the exponential form, because this is an exponent over here. This is exponential form. My x is my a value. So in exponential form, that's what it's supposed to be equal to. So I put an x over here. And my c is 4, right? That means 4 needs to be the exponent on top of 10. There we go. And so to solve this equation for x, now you just need to know what 10 to the 4th is. So that's fine right there. You could just say it's, what is that? 4 zeros. So 10,000. Okay. So that's exponential form. Look, they say the same thing. What power do you raise 10 to be to make it equal some unknown variable? And they said the answer is 4. Another way of writing that is 10 to the 4th equals x. Same thing. Okay. Do the same thing over here. Your base is again 10. That's what goes in for b. Your a in the formula I gave you down there is an x, so we're going to put it equal to x. And your c is -3, so we're going to put -3 as the exponent up here. And if you punch that in a calculator, well, that's the same thing as 1 over 10 to the 3rd. So that's 0.001, I think. Here, let's check. 1, 2, 10 to the 3rd. Yep. Okay, there we go.